Welcome to another IT tech support video. It is your boy Tex showing you how to green screen today on Premiere Pro. So as you already know, you probably already have your video and you're looking for a way to remove the green background. You have your object and you want to add another object behind or another graphic or picture or whatever. So today I'm going to use this chick. I don't know who she is, but she's cute and we're going to add her on the background. All we're going to do is, let's say, first things first, you put your video, you want to make sure your video is, the green screen video is on top, and then the picture, whatever you're putting in the background, is on the bottom. Once you go ahead and do that, then what we're going to look for on the left hand side where your effects are, you're going to type in key. So the Ultra key, we're going to grab, drag and drop to the video, the green screen video. Once you're drag and drop to a green screen video, we're going to click on effects controls. Once we click on effects controls, you see where it says key color. So this is what we actually dropped right now, the Ultra key. This is so simple. I love it. You just grab this. Oops. We just grab this little thingy-majigger. I forgot the name of it, but we're going to go ahead and drop it on the green. We're going to click on the green. Then you now have your car on top of the girl without the green screen. So there are some, as you can tell, if you actually zoom in, you can tell there's still some green all around the car. So what we want to do, of course, is try to get rid of most of it. So you have a lot of settings here. And this is where you kind of just mess with it to see if you can get some of the green or, some of the shadow off. We don't want to do that. Let's take a look here. So here are your controls, there you go. So the matte cleanup choke, this will actually remove some of the green. So as you can tell right there, we physically have all the green off, what it looks like. So let's go ahead and play it. So it looks like all the green is fully removed and the background image is full on all the video, and it looks like the green screen worked. A lot of people like to give a huge explanation on certain things, which is great, but we like to get straight to the point. We know you're a busy person. So today we showed you how to green screen on Premiere Pro CC. If you guys have any questions on how to do anything on Premiere, please drop it down below. We'll make more videos as they come, but we're trying to upload 2 to 3 videos a week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, a huge thumbs up, and we'll talk to you soon.